hot. When it gets hot like this, you just have to get some water. Then you put some water like this to cool it down. When, for example, if you are using the Rico, this is called Rico here in Africa. So as you can see. So I think now it's cooler now. We can continue. Hello family, this is a beautiful morning. I'm coming right from the village of Africa here in Kenya. I hope you are doing well. This is Salome Maina TV and I'm your host Salome Maina. Wow, this is the day we have been waiting for. It's a beautiful morning, very early in the morning here in Africa. And I have decided to bring you a very different video, and today we are going to do a cooking videos. If you are new here, yes, if you are new here, please feel at home. If you are a returning subscriber, you are highly welcome to my channel. I'm grateful to have you on board, and for those who have subscribed, I'm very happy. And today, guess what? I'm going to surprise you, right? We're going to do this. We have already done it the first session, making the dough. Let me bring you my people who are going to appear in my video today. Yes, welcome, and don't forget to in the village. If you like this video, this kind of video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you. Welcome on board. Let's go. The set. We're going to do this together. You'll see us making different things today. So, please, can you greet them?
Hello family, welcome back.
Yeah, you're welcome back.
Hello families, welcome back. Yeah, I'm new today. We shall do this, we shall say.
Right. Keep it here. Keep it Salome Maina. Once again, he is Dan. He is Prince. I am Salome. Now, if you haven't subscribed, kindly do so. As you can see, we are making chapatis and we will take you around as we make other meals. So, in the village style. Yes. Maybe you're wondering what is happening. We started by making the dough. We are already set. We made the dough. After making the dough now, we are making the balls. After making the balls, now, maybe I have skipped some steps. If you want to make chapatis, and I know this is the festive season, maybe you're sitting there, you're wondering what are you going to do, you don't know how to make chapatis, what the ingredients that you're supposed to have. Don't worry, I am here, we are here, as you can see, I'm going to help you. Number one, step one. If you're making, for example, 2 kgs of flour, which flour that is, ensure that you have 3 cups of water. Have 3 cups of water, measure 3 cups of water, and then make sure you have salt, sugar. You can just warm your water a bit. Then you mix the 3. You put the dough, you put the flour, you mix the dough. Your dough, you must ensure that your dough is soft, like this one, as you can see. Should be very soft. Yeah, the soft dough for the better and the best outcome. Then at the end of the day, you are going to see the outcome. For those who are watching us from abroad, from all over the world, here in Kenya, we call these ones chapatis. In our local language here in Kenya, chapatis. Yeah. Guys, we have the cooking fat here. This is the cooking fat. And then we have our balls there. We still have a big dao on the other side. So we're going to put this cooking fat in this bowl to make our work easier. Prince, can you go ahead? Yeah, guys, today we're using the jiko. And we'll try our best to bring the best of the chapatis today. So keep on watching. If you've just joined us, we are doing this right in the village. Welcome to my channel. This is Salome Maina TV. Continue watching till the end. Sorry. Welcome, welcome. Yeah, this is the kind of chapatis we are making. Up to that point, families, we are happy. We have done it. As you can see, these are very beautiful chapatis. Maybe my cameraman can come closer. I'll show you. Look at these beautiful chapatis. Look. Very soft. Very, very soft. Maybe we can enjoy it with my team here. His name is
Utkas.
Thank you so much, Utkas, for helping today. I'm glad that I have you in my channel today. I'm very, very happy. And you guys have been asking about Prince each and every time. Today Prince is here. Prince, what do you tell them?
Thank you for watching.
And look at the camera.
Thank you for watching and subscribe.
Yes. What else? What do they expect from you? Right.
If you haven't subscribed, kindly remember to subscribe. Don't say do not share. Have it. Have it. At that point, thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe. Keep it on Mamaina TV. Until next time, goodbye. Thank you.